If I'm cool with him, man, am I cool with it?
Like, you doing like a 130 and a 40 type shit?
Possibly.
Oh, shit. No, like, go ahead and drop me off, man.
Nigga, get me out of here.
I'm gonna bet your crib, I ain't gonna lie to you.
Nah, I ain't gonna go that crazy. Do a little bit, but not too crazy.
And we right by us, call it too.
I'm about to turn around, though.
No, you can get all up here.
Oh, I can?
Yeah.
It's a roundabout, like you can turn around by going
The whole thing's a circle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, dead ass, though.
Oh, well, damn. Never mind, then. What y'all was doing, though, man?
Shit, smoking.
He just said that too. He talking about the you right about you on the fucking fry.
Everybody high as a bitch.
You know,
Yeah, nigga high as hell eating the Giorno. What kind of pizza is it though, bro? What, Pizza Hut or something?
It's Little Caesars.
Little Caesars? Oh,
Yeah,
man. That's even worse.
That shit good, boy. Yeah, Little Caesars has seen us at our lowest.
Hey, a nigga
Go
said
give
I'm
me-
Real niggas
fried,
know
but
about
I'm
that.
hungry.
Yeah,
Real
goddamn
niggas
it.
know about Little
Go give me a large pizza for $5. You goddamn right.
He said I'm fried and unready, goddamn it.
I remember when they used to have like the actual like cookies that had that nigga face on them and shit.
Damn.
Real niggas don't even know about the Little Caesars like that for real.
Oh, that's 20 points right there.
You said like 200 points. Talking about running over people?
Yeah.
Goddamn. Nigga, you do not need to be behind no wheel. Stick to GTA, bro. Think about to kill people.
No, I ain't gonna lie to you. If I'm driving and a nigga walking the street, I'm not slowing down.
Damn.
Damn.
I can see this nigga on the news now. Nigga chasing people with his car and shit. People just running. All you see is a car coming right behind them.
It depends on their race.
Now I'm like, why are you walking in the middle of the street on a busy street like you want to get hit? And I'm going to hit you. I'm not gonna stop.
Yeah, it depends on race and age, man.
Damn, took me all the way to the apartments? Oh, shit.
It's
Just keep going straight, bro.
if it's an old person, I'm just
am I
gonna keep
slowing
driving.
this bitch now? No. I'm going the right way. Because we had passed this up coming to your house.
I be mad as fuck living in the apartments. You see all these nice ass houses. And you got upstairs neighbors.
Yeah, I can't be as loud as I want.
What school is that?
Garrett. You hit the left right here.
You know they do it. They do the Boy Scouts at that school. I'm pretty sure, but they ain't assigned me that one. I wanted them to assign me Brown, but Brown ain't even doing this shit, man. That would have been so hard.
More. They was doing shit when we were there.
Yeah, bruh. That shit would have been
Your
lit.
neighborhood get somebody lost in this bitch. Damn.
Neighborhood hella weird, but like one spot, you see a whole bunch of niggas, whole bunch of crackheads, white folks. It was weird.
Autistic kids too.
White folks, autistic kids. Damn.
There's a whole sign.
Dead ass. It says we probably passed that motherfucker. It say be aware of autistic kids nearby.
Damn.
Shit's fucking hilarious.
Yeah, it's fucking hilarious. I ain't even trying to be a dickhead. Yeah, it's because
that sign. I'm so
yeah,
serious.
because you know they be. I guess because the noise, whatever the case might be, they like them niggas
Yeah,
up.
that's where we go. We about to get back on the highway. We gotta go to
Bass Pro.
What you getting from Bass Pro?
I had.
he getting yeah.
Oh, Miski.
Yeah, I had just left though when I had called Gerard to see where he was at. He told me, we gotta go to this place. Holy shit.
So I'm finna look. Yeah, you can go there.
Is it? We can't go that way?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Go ahead and be a nigga, man.
Because I take
Damn
you
right,
to
I'm
St.
gonna be a nigga.
Charles. Ain't Bass Pro next to the mall and shit?
You talking about in St. Charles? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's near the
Yeah, let's take it somewhere.
Yeah, it's by my old house.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I could. Yeah, now think about it. I could tell you I got to get there.
Get in the left lane.
Coordinate the human GPS. Thank you.
Man, boy, we drove past this motherfucking Bass Pro so many times.
Every time I used to come to your house,
You hearing me? That motherfucker right there.
Every day.
And I ain't never even go in that motherfucker. It's crazy.
I never
Shit,
been
they got
there neither.
Paparia over there. That Buffalo Wild Wing and shit.
I don't know. I don't think I've been there either. What up?
Better be 8. What's this?
What's that? Vroom vroom.
My shit ain't sound like this.
He said, "What kind of sound like this?"
My shit ain't sound like this. What's this? You got a V8?
nigga almost hit 120, cuz. You heard me, bro? I ain't gonna lie. Man, no brakes. All R2. Just made them motherfuckers smooth them up.
When's the last time y'all been to Coach Light?
Damn, we just got me Kansas City winning.
Shit, I don't know.
Coach Light, shit, nigga. I don't know, shit. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like I ain't been none in 2020s at all.
Whole time we gonna turn around. It's taking us the wrong way.
Yeah, I was so like, you supposed to get on Kansas City.
Shit, see? Damn it, Courtney. Damn, he told me you can't go that way. Damn.
And he know how to get there. He just gonna forget to tell you how to get there.
I lost my trust, bro. It was trust plus 1,000, but now it's gone. Goddamn.
Get off on the next exit. Where the GPS at? Where's Siri at?
Or Google.
That's a
Oh, yeah. Get off on Creve Court. Not Creve Court. It's gonna be like Maryland Heights some shit.
yeah.
It's gonna be
You
over
gon'
here.
and then they
Now
gonna
we
bust.
fucking Kirk.
No, but I just saw like my school's exit. So yeah, that's gonna take you to McKelvey. Shit.
Oh yeah, I was telling July that we can probably go to the shooting range sometime next month if y'all want to go.
Yes, sir. I would love to go to the shooting range.
Seen that like a dead wolf right there, bro.
You be seeing all the animals, bro.
You ain't see that shit? That was a dead wolf, a coyote or something.
A coyote. Nah, I ain't seen no like.
It was just like literally laying in the grass.
White people out here be going out that way to hit the animals. I ain't gonna lie. St. Charles is all roadkill, bro. When every time you leave that house, man, it's something new dead on that motherfucker. Yeah, we should be on Dorsey.
Too bad we gotta go to the other side. It's too much traffic over there, boy. Damn.
Yeah.
Everybody outside today.
What's that shit say?
Huh?
What's that say?
Dorsey.
Yeah.
Just get right back on the highway.
Yep, pretty much. I had a friend named Rouge, and I thought that nigga, they used to be like, this nigga was like a millionaire. His family is rich as hell. But I used to think he owned the Indian Palace because he was Indian. That nigga did not own that bitch at all. Nah, that nigga owned hotels though.
At least it was the good kind of racism.
Yeah, that he rich.
Yeah, he said he rich, man. He thought you had some money.
Yeah, I knew that nigga, but he was in middle school. He coming to school in a Tesla, bro.
Dang.
I'm like, damn, this nigga dad texting on his phone. Who driving it?
But nowadays, Tesla's not even that expensive no more. They like, what, 30-some thousand now?
Yeah, but if you want the upgrades and shit, nigga, you finna
pay all that
yeah,
extra
bro.
shit.
That motherfucker don't come driving by that shit, nigga. You gotta get that upgraded, that motherfucker.
Oh, you talking about for it to drive itself?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about like $8,000 extra right there. I think they dropped the price. It used to be like $12,000 to get that little auto drive shit, autopilot. That stuff cool though. I drove one, bro. Would I trust it? No.
I wouldn't trust it on the highway. I trust it on the street.
Hey man, it actually does that though. Break and turn, you know, everything, bro. That shit's
I ain't getting
crazy.
on the highway in that motherfucker. I don't know.
Hey, sure, you might not, but everybody else do. You ain't seen on YouTube where they be people getting pulled over and they be falling asleep in the car. They be asleep, bro.
That shit would be so helpful if you like drunk, like you just fucked up. You like, damn, I need to get home.
Damn.
Tesla drive.
I mean,
Shit, Tesla drive.
bro,
Take me home.
this black dude had got pulled over, bro. He fell asleep in the damn Tesla.
You
on
can
his
keep
way
in the
to
right.
work.
You can keep the right.
It's too late, Marty, over here.
Okay.
Too late, Courtney. It's too late.
Nah, Tesla cool, but I like the Lucid, bro. Those electric cars look harder. Like they shit look like some real futuristic shit. I got one car, bro. That motherfucker go like to 80 in like damn near 2 seconds, nigga. I think that shit said like 1.84. That bitch hit 80.
Hyundai. Get on Kansas City West when you get a chance. That's your exit.
That nigga said I'm speed demon. Fuck an exit.